And it's 5:49. We want to get a check of our local pinpoint weather and traffic together. Michelle, very busy this morning in the Pinpoint Doppler 12 Forecast Center with a mix of precipitation that you're tracking.
Yeah, both TJ and I are in here this morning keeping you updated as the storm system gets underway. We're transitioning over from snow to that wintry mix and eventually plain rain. In fact, we're now seeing mostly rain and maybe a little bit of sleet along the coastline, those green and pink areas that you see, while we're still seeing more of a snow and sleet mixture as you travel further inland. So some additional small accumulations possible. This area that's still seeing the blue this morning, but as we head later into the morning, we're going to change over to plain rain, this green lifting south to north throughout the morning hours. But we are concerned right now if you're headed out for the morning commute, obviously that mix changing to rain, leading to some slippery and slushy travel conditions, about 30 to 35 for your temperatures for the commute this morning. As we look at our weather alerts, we're still under a winter storm warning northwest corner of the state until 11. It's a winter weather advisory everywhere else. That advisory just simply means that the conditions out there are going to make it difficult to travel early this morning. Here are the snowfall totals so far, and these have some new numbers that have just come in. So Coventry with about 4 inches of snowfall, West Warwick at 4 now, South Kingstown picked up 3 before changing over to sleet and rain. Acushnet with just under 2 inches of snowfall, and New Bedford picked up about 1.5 inches of snow and sleet. Your headlines for today, we're looking at that mix changing to rain this morning. How about this? More snow possible on Thursday. We're going to be watching an offshore storm system. Right now the weekend does look quiet, but I'm going to say there's no signs of a more typical spring-like weather pattern over the next 7 to 10 days. About 30 degrees right now in Woonsocket, Attleboro's at 30, 32 in North Kingstown. So the temperatures are cooler as you head further to the north, still below freezing. We've warmed up to 35 Little Compton, 33 in Westerly with that cold rain falling. Our center of our low pressure moving south and west of our area right now is going to lift right up over southeastern New England by this evening. So the rain will continue into the afternoon. It should ease up though, lighter rain and drizzle for the later part of this morning and this afternoon. Even as late as 9 o'clock this morning, may still be seeing snow and sleet in our far northern suburbs, plain rain along the coastline, rain showers in the afternoon, that rain snow line just up to the north of us. So occasionally you may see a little bit of sleet mixing in this afternoon, far northern Rhode Island. 3:30 in the afternoon, rain showers. Well, they start to wind down. There may be a flurry that comes through here this evening. Otherwise, skies clear and the temperatures will start to drop. So we're going to end up with about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall for most areas. You travel north and west of Providence and you see those 3, 4, maybe even 5-inch totals, isolated 6-inch amounts possible, but mostly ending up probably under 5 inches of snow for even our northern part of the state. This afternoon, rain and drizzle, blustery and raw along the coast, 42 in Newport, northern Rhode Island, upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Rain showers, can occasionally maybe some sleet, 39 in Foster Center, about 40 in Johnston, and southeastern Massachusetts, highs in the lower 40s, Fall River and in New Bedford. Even though we're drying out tonight, we're going to be watching for some black ice as temperatures fall into the 20s late tonight, so maybe slippery again for early morning commuters on the first day of spring tomorrow. So unsettled through the day today. Dry skies, though, for your start of spring tomorrow, officially arriving at about 7 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Daylight Time with the vernal equinox, marking the beginning of the spring season, at least a calendar version of it. Thursday, though, not going to be feeling or looking like spring. We're going to be watching a storm system offshore. May get some snow as we get clipped by the outer edge of this storm. Even some small accumulations possible, though it's looking like most of it will fall during the day, and it's very tough to get accumulating snow during the daytime with high temperatures in the upper 30s. Friday around 42 and the weekend looking quiet. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca is going to be in tonight starting live at 5. Let's head over to Jam Cam traffic.